You were in an accident with this bike, Mr. Uphouse.
Why would you say that?
Why would I say that?
Yes.
Because I can. Because I can, and because the plaintiff says that she bought this bike a little more than a year ago. I'm speaking.
Okay.
You see, I don't think you're cute. You may have girlfriends that think you're cute or boyfriends that think you're cute. I don't think you're cute. I actually think you're pretty obnoxious.
Understand.
You're pretty obnoxious because you took Miss Monroe's bike, a practically brand new bike, and you damaged it, and you didn't fix it. That makes you a not honorable person who thinks that he's cute. Nothing is more obscene to me than somebody who's a dishonorable person who thinks that they're cute. Because are you an only child?
No.
Are you an only male child?
Absolutely not.
So you have brothers?
Yes.
How many?
3.
Are they older or younger?
1 older, 2 younger.
I'll see you right in the middle. There go all my theories.